Just quickly doing nothing. Stumble into top light signal. I'm not doing that. Like, why would I do that? Boom, 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 boom. Okay, there we go. Boom. And it's impossible like to do that though. All live a day, so we all live a night in the north. Hope I don't. Like, this is the OPest board in the world. And there I got the coin, boy. But like, Cyber Games gave me all the skins, usually, and they gave me hacks. Just kidding, I got myself. If you want to go check it out, it's on Happy Mod. Oh, live a day, so we all live a night. Wait, let me just see that. Like, I can mute myself, like. Yeah, you can hear what I said, but I didn't say anything though. I literally just see if it work. Dude, why did my board not spawn? I was double tapping. This is gonna be easy as something else. This is gonna be easy. Now look at this. Boom. Okay guys, I'm gonna be right back. So please just don't quit the stream. I'm just gonna be like a few minutes back. I'm gonna okay, fine. I'll stream for you guys. Like, I'm gonna play while I like walk to my sister, and they don't know I'm streaming because they don't know how to stream on this platform. Ooh, it's cold in South Africa. It's really cold. Like, and yeah, I'll maybe do a like age and name reveal on like 2 likes. That I know it sounds confusing, but I'm new, bro. Yeah, you have to do it for the boys. You already know it, boy. Akom, see me. I stream op Google Play. Kijk hierdie ding. Kijk hierdie ding. Bruh. Sorry, I'm just speaking my language, so don't bother that. Don't. Okay. Yeah. So like, what's going on? Yeah, I hope it's gonna be good content because like I don't have good content. You already know it. But we can play. I'm tapping. Okay. Well, I'm just gonna do like my backyard because that's not really my backyard. I have all the special bolts because of the hacks. Yeah, those stuff doesn't load because the Wi-Fi is bad. But like, you can do jam session. Okay, so. Oh, that's a lot. 50 grand. Like, ooh, bam. Sorry, Dax. Ooh. Ooh. Well, yeah, that was not fun to watch. So, yeah. next time we can vote gameplay. We can play like this. Bruh, this thing takes so long to load. Oh yay. Oh, I joined like all the clubs with this stuff. Okay, vroom, 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 vroom. Okay, I'm just like, there's the chance that there'll be traffic is 0.1%. So if there's traffic, it's gonna be direction now. Okay, that was really bad. Yeah, this thing just goes free ID like through the tunnel. I can like boom, 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 boom. Okay, yeah. Guys, thanks for watching my stream. If you watched it, if you didn't watch it, go watch it. Like not live, like yeah. Thanks for like doing everything to help me, and bye.